In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to open up a file on VLC Media Player. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So you could just open up VLC and just drag and drop the file directly into the interface here. Or you can select the Media tab at the top and select where it says Open File. Navigate on your computer to where that file may be located. And then you want to just select it and then open it up. VLC Media Player supports most video files, or most video file formats, I should say. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.